Hey guys, Danny Johnson here. We just recently completed the DOD AFM delete on our 2015 Yukon Denali with the 6.2 liter, and this is the L86. It's very similar on the L83 5.3 liter, same layout, general process is the same. So check the video description for that full step-by-step video. And I wanted to answer the question, over the last 2,500 miles, what has my miles per gallon been with no more four-cylinder mode? And it's been about 15.7 to 15.9 miles per gallon. And that is actually not much different than what I had before with the four-cylinder mode. Also, if you look at this, the average miles per hour was in the 20s, meaning I had some idle time, some non-freeway time on here too. So just kind of looking over through this, we're 20 to 16 miles per gallon, just depending on what stage of the mileage we've been at as we go through these different calculations. But in the end, it really was no different than about 2 miles per gallon difference at the most. So I really don't think that this process saved a lot. Just having it in V8 mode, we went on some longer trips where we're averaging more than 60 miles per hour. Of course, the total average puts it down into the 40 miles per hour is what you'll see on the gauge cluster. But even at that, we were back to about 20 miles per gallon, which is what we were getting before with the four-cylinder mode. So just to answer that question, what the main difference is, if you don't have four-cylinder mode anymore, it really didn't make that much of a difference that we could tell. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please check the video description. I'll have a full playlist of all the videos that we've done on this Yukon, a lot of them step-by-step videos. And if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.